Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about GNM, BSc and post BSc nursing topic, that is infection. First one is infection definition. The entry and development or multiplication of the disease producing agent in the body of man and animal. An infection may or may not lead it to disease state. Next is mode of transmission of disease. Infection may be transmitted from the reservoir to the susceptible lost through variety of ways. First one is direct transmission, indirect transmission and by carriers. The first, direct transmission, direct contact by kissing, sexual relationship and scratching. Next is droplet by seasoning, coughing, spitting, talking and singing. Third, contact with soil, hookworm, larva, tetanus and mycosis. Next is transplacental, that is number 4, rubella, AIDS, syphilis, hepatitis B. And 5 last is birth control, that is the disease is gonorrhea. Next is indirect transmission. First one is fomites. Sources of infections are infected feeding bottle, bedpan, urinals, handkerchiefs, nylon, towel, clothing and toys. Number 2, that is food and milk. Sources of infection are hands to the food handers, flies, rats, cockroaches and utensil, dust and infected animal. Number 3, that is water. Sources of infection are human and animal excreta. Next is manure heaps and industrial waste. Number 4, that is air. Infection can also occur by oronasal routed and droplet and dust are sources is doses infection. Next, number 5, that is soil. Orientary earth is full of microscopic life. Some of those are capable to producing disease and those are saprophytes, parasites, molds, yeasts and animal parasites. Number 6, insects. They convey disease mechanically and biologically. Number 7, mechanically, the pathogen stick to the body part of the insect. Number 8, biologically, the bite and infected person and then healthy person. Next is by carrier. Carrier are those who harbors pathogenic and organism and not showing clinical sign and symptoms of the disease, but they capable of transmitted the disease. There are 3 types. First one is incubation period, a person who is in incubation period of the disease. Next, contact carrier, a person who come into contact with organism is carried and discharging it. Next, number 3, convalescent carrier, a person who has recovered from the disease but still carrying and discharging the organism. This is the total content of infection and mode of transmission of the disease. Total 3 content. First one is direct transmission, indirect transmission and by carrier, and that is the total content of total 3 type of carriers of infection. If this content is gave you any kind of help, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.